Nagkukopyahan naman na. Okay, next.
Bilisan nyo, bilisan nyo.
Ayun tayo. Okay, next color. Touch the color green.
Oh, green, green. Green.
Don't touch the color green. Next color yellow.
Oh, panalo si Ethan.
Okay. Don't touch the color blue. Red. White. Wala namang white, di ba? Blue. Pink. Blue. Orange. Ay, yellow pala yun. Pink. Blue. Red. Green. Yellow. Blue. Pink. Yellow. Blue.
That's okay, that's okay. Good job. Good.
Okay, next player.
Oh. Altea. Premio.
Color green. Pink. Blue. Yellow. Blue pink. Blue pink. Red. Yellow. Blue. Pink.
Pink.
Don't touch the color yellow. Pink. Blue. Green. Yellow. Pink. Blue. Green. Pink. Blue. Ako titingin. Red.
Alala.
Red. Blue.
Alis ka dyan, Taya.
Yellow.
Kiki.
Wala lang. Okay, pink. Red. Green. Blue. Pink. Red. Green. Blue. Blue. Green. Red. Yellow. Pink. Yellow. Blue.
Lapit mo yung mic lang. Oh. Galing nila kasi oh. Ay, mamilis. Nagdidelay kayo.
Yellow! Pink, green, yellow, blue. Daisy.
Yung ganyan lang. Madadagdag lang. Yung ganyan lang. Tapos ito. Ano yung sinasabi niya? Tapos dapat
Halika dito!
hindi ka kasali, lalaki lang. Kasali lang, lalaki lang.
Hindi.
Bakit kaya? Hindi ka kasali.
Kuya Jerry, resolve that problem.
Hoy, kes ka, bawal magturo. Isip ka. Jo.
Sabihin nyo guys kung hindi nyo na kaya ha.
ko sa'yo. Hindi na may try. Hindi ah. Try lang yun eh. Sige lang.
Dyan na eh.
Ano?
Mali.
I tell you, one line is A, additional is
Eight.
8. Why you put here? How did you count?
Tantan out.
But you put this one, only one, but the additional of these 3 pieces.
Kamatawang
Then,
sagot.
count. How did you say count? Huh? Give me 2,000, then I will make it answer this one. Okay? Okay. Oh, count it. How much now? You count now, how much?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How did you say A?
Ako na. Guys, sabihin nyo kapag suko na kayo ha. Kukunin ko na yung 1K.
Sayang yun.
Oh, nasaan na? Mathematics yan?
Ako na. Ginawa na kayo ng dito ulo.
Wala! Ulang pa lang talo na.
Hindi mo yan.
But total is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Tinawa na kasi ako.
Wala. 4. Si Red?
8. May mga.
Si Red?
Meron pa eh. Meron pa eh.
Okay. Out, out. Ikaw out. Basta, ang total 888. Google na! Walang Google na! Walang Si Red? Si Red? Saan mo? Bakit ko na?
May hint gagawa ng ano ng...
It's up to you what you want, but counting is 888.
Pwede na complete?
Ha?
Ha?
Ano nasaan?
Kami yung dagdag. Idagdag namin na dahil.
Oo, dagdag yan. Total is 888. 2468, 2468, 2468. But you put this one 3 pieces, additional ring is counting is 888 also.
Ikaw, mathematics.
Ano, pakita mo.
Kahit anong solution.
But counting, additional, mas total is 888. How much?
4, 6, 8, 8, 8.
Go, go. Listen. Normal. What is one? One? How much?
6, 7, 9, 9.
Oh, wait. This one. Eight.
Sila!
Wait.
Sila!
Thank you.